What if I told you that I made 5,000 to 7,000 every single year, not by running a business, not by freelancing, and not by working 9 to 5, but by simply recommending some of the products online. No warehouse, no customer support, no boss. Just me, my laptop, and one of the platform called Impact Radius. Stick around because in this video I'm going to show you how did it and how you can start doing the same thing. Before we get into it, let me be real with you. My name is Sachin and I'm not a millionaire. I'm not a Silicon Valley guy with a fancy office. I'm just a regular person who figured out a system that works and kept doing it consistently. When I first started affiliate marketing, I had 0 followers, 0 audience and 0 clue what I was doing. I tried random strategies from YouTube. I failed, I wasted time, I almost quit. But then I found Impact Radius and that changed everything. Impact Radius is one of the most professional trusted affiliate network in the world. It connects you with top global brands where we are talking about companies worth billions of dollars and lets you earn a commission every time someone buys some product through your link. And over time, by learning the right way to do this, I went from earning 0 to consistently making 5,000 to 7,000 a year in a passive income. Is it life-changing money right now? No. But is it real, consistent, scalable? Absolutely yes. Now I know what you're thinking, bro. Anyone can say anything on the internet. So let me just show you. This is my actual Impact Radius dashboard. There are some real earnings, no editing, no fake screenshots, just the real numbers. And let me just refresh this for you. You can see here commission coming in from multiple brands, consistent payouts month after month. I'm showing you this not to brag, but because I was once sitting exactly where you are right now, watching someone else's screen wondering if this was real. It is real and it's available to you too. Here is the truth nobody talks about. 90% of the affiliate marketers who try to do the affiliate marketing quit within 3 months. Not because they were not smart enough, not because the opportunity is not there, but because they make 3 deadly mistakes. Mistake 1. They pick the wrong niche they are indulged with. They try to promote everything and end up with converting nothing. Mistake 2. They wait until they have a massive audience. You don't need 100,000 followers to make money with affiliate marketing. I'm proof of that. Mistake 3. They give up too early. Affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. It's a get rich slowly but surely scheme. And that's actually a good thing. The people who win, they stay consistent, they learn the system, they optimize, and then one day the money just keep coming in even while they sleep. So here's what I'm building with this channel. I want to create the most practical no fluff affiliate marketing resource specifically focused on the Impact Radius that exists on the YouTube right now. And that's just the beginning. Whether you are a complete beginner who has never made $1 online or someone who's tried affiliate marketing before and failed, this channel is built for you. Look, I know there's a lot of noise out there, a lot of gurus promising you 6 figures in 30 days, a lot of fake screenshots, a lot of hype. I'm not here for that. I'm here because I genuinely believe that affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible way for a regular person to build income online. And Impact Radius is one of the best platforms to do it on. I learned through trial and error, I made mistakes so you don't have to. And if I can help even one person to build their first 1,000 a month online through this channel, that's a big win for me. So I'm going to show you up, I'm going to be consistent, and I'm going to be 100% transparent with you about what works, what doesn't, and exactly what my numbers look like. If that sounds like something you want to be a part of, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notifications because I'm dropping new videos every week and you don't want to miss the setup tutorial coming next. And drop a comment below. Tell me, are you a complete beginner or have you tried affiliate marketing before? I read every single comment, especially on this first video, so talk to me, let's figure out where you're starting from and I'll be pointing you in the right direction. The link to Impact Radius is in the description, completely free to join, no catch. Let's build it together. Thank you so much for watching this first video. This is just the beginning. Next video I'm taking you inside Impact Radius step by step from 0. See you there.